So DFMEA in short, for design failure mode effect analysis, this tool actually serves the purpose to identify the technical risks early in a design stage of a product. It also helps to utilize the knowledge from existing design or products. DFMEA also prioritize efforts and focus on features that are critical to functionality of a product. And this tool also provides a possibility to identify the special characteristics that are needed to be focused on while designing and manufacturing a product. So in short, this tool helps us identify all the risks in a detailed manner where the designer or the project team identify where the failure can happen and arrest the occurrence or the happening of such failure. Now, when we talk about any tool or a process of doing an analysis, we need certain inputs. So now let's see what are the inputs that are needed to perform a DFMEA. The major inputs that are needed are product requirements specification, shortly termed as PRS. Now, PRS in different organization, it can be different. Basically, PRS holds for product specification, and product specification is actually derived from customer requirements. Basically, in order to arrive to a product requirement specification, the product management team or the sales and marketing team has to get in the customer requirements, what a customer needs and what they or customer is looking forward, what kind of service they are looking forward to. Now, this can be performed with various other tools like the voice of customer or doing a voice of customer workshop, which we can cover in detail with another session. Now, the requirements that are captured from customer is being produced as a list of specification where it forms a PRS or a PRD. You could call in any other name, but the purpose remains the same, to capture what specification a particular product or service has to offer to customer. Second input that we need in DFMEA are the customer claims. Now, having a history of failures or claims from the customer, quality claims from customer, helps us to identify what are the pain areas of customer. Now, identifying the pain areas of customer is a good input to fine-tune your design and provide a much quality output to the customer. The third input that we need for DFMEA is the internal failure rates. So basically, when I said about customer claim, that typically calls in for the quality claims or the external failures that has happened or experienced by the customer. Now, in the third point of internal failure rates, here we are trying to understand what all are the failures that have happened or experienced in the product while manufacturing or while designing, or something to a similar product that has already been in production or out in market. Now, the fourth input that we need for performing a good DFMEA analysis is process workshop inputs. For example, if there is a pen that is newly designed, it needs a manufacturing process line, right? Now, while designing a manufacturing process line, that is where we incorporate in process workshop, 3P workshop or 2P workshop. And the inputs from those workshops can be also an added advantage to the DFMEA process. And the last one is any existing DFMEA from similar products that are running in production, which I already mentioned, where you can take in the best lessons of failures or experiences that has been already put into a similar product. Now, let me know if we need to indulge or deep dive into any of these topics in future, so we can have more videos on this, like the 3P process workshop or generating a product requirement specification.